Ready, steady, go.
Hello!
Okay. Hello, Mr. Eric, Mr. Ryan. How are you today?
Good.
Good. Okay. So today we talk about
Now.
confusing number. Yeah, you're right.
Confusing.
Confusing number. So what's confusing?
Misunderstanding.
Yeah, misunderstanding. Okay, so what are the confusing? First of all, look these numbers. 1, 0, 6, 9, 8. What are the comments of these numbers? But not 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Yeah. So what's the difference between this group of number and this group of number?
1.
No, I mean these numbers belongs to something, and these numbers are on other, different group. Can you find the difference? The same thing, similar thing, same for this and same for this. Think about it. It has to be something to do with if you can turn the numbers around. Okay. And in this group, these three belongs to the same, but not these two. Make a guess.
That's weird.
What a weird. If you look numbers upside down, what happened?
It still be the same.
If you look at the numbers upside down, so what?
It still be the same.
Which one still be the same?
8, 0, 1.
We're down, but 6, 9 will become 9, 6. Yes.
Yeah.
But how about you look the numbers upside down? It doesn't make sense, right?
Yeah.
This number doesn't make sense. Okay, so that's the difference. So for all those 5 numbers, you can look it upside down. It become a different number.
So
But
it's
these
a confusing number.
confusing digit, I would say. But these are invalid numbers. So a number, if it's a confusing number, if you look it upside down, it's a valid number, right? Like 89, if you look it upside down, you become
86.
no,
68.
68. Yes.
What?
Look, you look at this way, 68.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
You
yeah.
have to. It's like these that turn around 180 degrees, right?
Yeah.
So look, if you turn around, it's still a valid number, and it's not the same as original number. It's a confusing number. So look, if it's 1,
I'm
you
not
can-
a confusing
Look.
number. I'm an understanding number.
look, if it's 1, turn around, what happened? If
It'll-
it's still 1, right?
Yeah.
And then this is not confusing, okay? And how about this?
I'm not
23.
confusing.
23. When you make turn around,
It comes like 5.
no, it's invalid because 1, 3, and 2 turn around. It doesn't make sense. It's not a valid number. So this is not confusing. So to sum up, a confusing number is when you look it upside down. It's still a valid number, but it's different than the original number. Then we call it confusing. Okay?
Confusing.
Yeah. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Does it make sense? Yes. So how are we doing this?
Define, definitely.
So first of all, we need the functions to tell if the number can be looked up from upside down, right? And if it can, then we return it. If not, we return like something like -1, right? All right? Okay. So
I'm not a confusing
Okay, so
number.
define.
I'm an understanding number.
Eric,
What the-
define. Let's say
What are you waiting
Upside. down. Okay, upside down.
for? Upset. That's
Oh,
upset
okay.
time.
Maybe just make
Just say
10. Okay, 10. X. Right? Come on. Okay.
Why should
If
you should do confusing number?
Wait, this is a helper function we're going to make, okay? If x equals 1, or x equals 0, or x equals 8, what should we return?
What?
If x equals 1, or x equals 0, or x equals 8, because
Return X.
yeah, we're done, because when you look upside down, it's the same, yeah?
Mhm.
Yeah? Okay, so if x
I'm
equals
dead.
6, what should we return?
9.
We're done. And if x
Upside down.
equals 9,
6.
we're done. And else, we return a -1 to say it's invalid, yeah? If it's other numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, yeah? And what else? 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Then here is 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Yeah, these 5 numbers will return -1 because it's invalid. Am I right? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we got this 10, okay? Make sure we remember that. And then define, no, so let's say if confusing, okay? Confusing, we return true or false, okay? Let's say n, okay? Column, okay. So what we need, this is the number we need to convert it into string to be able to extract each digit. Alternatively, we can divide it by 10 and get a remainder, yeah? Yeah? Okay, so let's do this. Let's do the n equal str. Okay, pick n, okay? N. So now we turn this number into a string, yeah? Star means string,
They're
yeah?
the same then.
Yeah? Okay, now let's store these into the let's store the upside down value in string into this, okay? Answer. And then let's say for I in n, okay? So now we are getting each digit, for example, 189, okay? 189, yeah? Yes?
That'll be 6,
Okay.
1.
Now let's say x equals 10, yeah? Yeah? We're turning this, yeah? But this is accepting this number, so we need to convert it back. Integer I. So now look, if x equals -1, what should we do? Return what?
False.
False, yes, we're done. Be confident, come on.
False.
Yeah, look.
False.
N is look, when we do this 189, this bigger n, yeah? When we do this strn, it become this smaller lowercase n, you become a string, yeah? And then when we do this for I in n, then we get each digit will be 189, yeah? And then we pass it into this because then we need to convert this string to numbers, yeah? Using this int function, yeah? Int function. And then if it returns -1, then we can make it, yeah? Then, alternatively, yeah? Alternative, if we changing this to accepting string, then we can do this. Look, we need to put this code, yeah? Alright, look. If we put this, okay, then it will become easier, right? Yeah? Because everything is in string, yeah? Okay? Yes? And then now, we don't need to convert it to integer. We just pass this I because it's already integer. And if we x equals -1, we put a quote there because this is string type. Return false. Otherwise, answer equals x plus answer. Yeah. So we put this new number before in the front, so it will be opposite. Yeah. And then after that, return answer equal or not equal x. N. What should we put here? Equal or not equal? If it's a valid number, if it's a confusing number, it's
True.
equal or not equal?
Not equal.
Not equal, yeah, because it's confusing, yeah, not equal. So does it make sense? Yes?
Yeah.
What's the term complexity if there are n digits in the
N. Something.
n, yeah. If n is the number of digit in the string.
It's not a confusing number.
Yeah. Okay. So.
What's the time complexity?
Rowan, I just told you.
What's the space complexity?
Yeah, space complexity. Are we using any space here? This could be a space. Yes. We converting to string n. Yeah. Because we are using that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Why?
Any questions?
No.
Oh, close your eyes. I'm going to close your eyes, please. Please. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. I'm going to erase something. Okay.
From where?
I'm not going to tell you. Come on, turn around.
Looking up, I can see.
Okay, just 2 bits.
X.
Here, and then here. Yeah. So what should we do here?
That's definitely a bracket.
Yeah. So what are we using here?
X.
Come on, write it. Come on, write it. Come on.
X.
Yeah.
You say it and I write it. X equals 10 is I. Bracket.
You don't need the in there because I already changed here. Okay. X equals 10x, 10I. Yeah. 10I. That's it. And then here, what's this? What's this? What we are doing here? We need to.
Answer
Yeah. Answer equals
equals
what? We need to put them.
string.
No, we need to put this x. This is upside down, yeah? When we upside down it, we need to put it in the front, right? Yeah? So what do we do? Answer equals what? What are we doing here? This x thing, if it's complete,
X
yeah, x what? X what?
minus
Why
equals equals. No, equals.
we need to put it, append. So what's the append?
Append.
Plus answer, come on.
Sign.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
You don't understand it fully, otherwise, okay, one more time. I'm going to erase some more, okay? But not here, okay? Okay, close your eyes, close your eyes. Close
That
your eyes.
one or that one?
I'm not going to tell you. Okay, so this bit.
Return false! Return false!
There are two lines, come on!
Return false here.
No, I erased two lines. Why?
Return false in the last one.
Yeah, and then why? What happened?
X equals
When-
equals minus
Is it-
1.
It's the same when turned upside down.
Why are we returning false here? What happened when?
If x equals minus 1 column, I think. Return false.
Yeah. Okay. Not just look. If you just put the return false, what happened? And then you just return false without any further, right? Because this is if is very important, right? Yeah. You only return false if. Got it? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye! Bye!
you need to say see you tomorrow.
See